whitening powder combination here is this number 4 I just finished mentioning, that is the alpha arbutin powder. Mind you please, we have alpha arbutin and okay guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is HBM Organic Beauty. It's been a long time guys. I am so sorry. I've been busy with trainings, with production. I'm so sorry, I miss you guys. So yeah, I'm yet to complete my whitening powder series I started. I have dropped the part 1 of that video. I've dropped the part 2 of that video. Today I am finalizing that video, and that is why I am here guys, because I have to finish what I started. Yes, what I started. Okay guys, so if you're here on this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and do not forget to turn on your notification bell below. If you don't turn on that notification bell below, you won't know when I upload a video, but when you turn on the notification bell below, turn it on and you will get notified immediately I drop a new video. So watch the previous video in case you want to know what I've said previously concerning whitening powders, how you can use whitening powders, how to check their pH level, you know, how to work with them. To check the previous videos I have made on that. So yeah, we are on the part 3 of the whitening powder series, and today ends this topic. Before I proceed on today's topic guys, we are starting our online skincare class on Saturday, this Saturday, that is on the 20th of June. So if you've not enrolled, kindly do that. So many people will come and they will start telling me, do I need online skincare class? After all, the recipe you drop on YouTube channel is working. My dear, you need a skincare class, because there are so many things that you get to learn from this class. You know, there are so many things I get to tell you as we rapport in the class. So many ideas that come to my mind, I get to share them with you. And there are some basics you need to know in skincare formulations, so that you'll be able to formulate products that are very effective, so that you'll be able to know the chemicals to combine, the one not to combine together, so that you'll be able to learn how to at least stabilize your product, so that you'll be able to know how to work with your pH level. Those things are things that matters, and most people don't know. Some people just carry the whole serum, they pour, you know, they just, you know, mix everything and they believe they are good to go, and before you know, they start sending me messages that, oh, my cream is going brown, my cream is doing this, my cream is doing that. Oh my god, yes, your cream will go brown, your cream will look ugly if you don't know those basics. And we have butts and hips enhancement class also. It's starting on the 20th of this month. So if you want to learn how to make your butt and hips enlargement cream, your butt and hips enlargement oil, your butt and hips enlargement powder drink, I've gone to advanced. So like the recipe I have now, they are wow. As in, when I mean wow, I've gone to train on that. Like, my product this time around will be bomb. So if you want to know how to produce this butt enhancement products, the newly advanced one I just learned, the class is starting on the 20th of June also. So enroll for the class. And please do not forget that HBM Organic Beauty sells natural skincare products. In case you want those pink lips also, it is available 100% natural with whitening powders. We sell lotion, we sell soap, we sell all kind of skincare sets formulated by HBM herself. And we sell natural cosmetics ingredients. You want to buy your Seppi White, your Arbutin, your Giga White, your Kojic acid, your Kojic Deep, name it, your botanicals mulberry, name it, your oils, carrot oil, jojoba oil, your rosehip oil. We have all this in our shop. Just go to www.hbmorganicbeauty.com and go and shop for any of these products there. Let's go down to today's business. Okay, so on today's topic, what we are treating today is whitening powder combination that works for effective skin whitening lotion. So that is the topic we are treating for today. So today I'll be telling you combination of whitening powders you can combine together, you can use to formulate your lotion, your lightening lotion, and you will get good results. Pardon me, I'll be looking at my book because I've actually written out all my points here in my book. So the number one whitening powder combo that you can use in formulating a whitening or a lightening lotion is Sepia white powder, kojic deep powder, arbutin powder, and pea extract. When you're formulating a whitening or lightening lotion and you add in your Sepia white powder, you add in your kojic deep, please remember that most of these oils, they are oil soluble, most of them are water soluble, so you should know the phase in which each powder should come in. Yes, your Sepia white, your kojic deep, your alpha arbutin, and your pea extract. When you combine those 4 natural cosmetics ingredients together, you get a perfect skin lightening or skin whitening lotion. Yeah, so I'll try to be as fast as possible. So number 2 whitening powder combination for effective skin whitening lotion that work is combination of giga white powder, licorice powder, I mean the white licorice, glutathione powder, and alpha arbutin powder. So when you combine those 4 powders together, oh my god, you're going to get boom, like the results will be wow. See, some people will just come, they will say, oh, natural skincare product does not work. It's a lie. It does work. You don't know how to formulate it. If you know how to formulate properly and you get the right material, you get the original powders, you will find out that your skincare product will work. So by the time you combine your alpha arbutin, your giga white, your licorice, and your glutathione powder together, those 4 powders, they are water soluble. So by the time you combine them together and incorporate them into your lotion, or you use them to formulate your lotion, believe me, you're going to see a great result. And please, before I forget this, mind you, I want you to have this at the back of your mind, that every skincare formulation have procedure. Now when it comes to working in with your whitening powders, we have numbers of powders you can work with according to what you want to achieve. Now if you're making a lotion for a light skin, I advise that you should make use of 3 strong powder and 1 mild powder. Licorice powder is a mild powder, but I mean the licorice white, the white licorice. Do not go and use the licorice extract because your lotion will turn out to be a chocolate color. Yes, so that's for whitening powder combination number 2. So the whitening powder combination number 3 is our snow white powder 1, Sepia white powder 2, alpha arbutin powder 3, and niacinamide powder. Yes, so this whole powder here is we have 3 water soluble powder there, and we have 1 Sepia white powder. And now let me talk about Sepia white. Most Sepia white, like the Sepia white I sell, is water soluble. So most Sepia whites dissolve in water. Yes, is what I've worked with times without number. In each formulation I try to make research. My own Sepia white that I sell on my website dissolves in water. Yeah, it's water soluble. So when you're making your lotion, you can incorporate it into your water phase. So the whitening powder combination number 3 I just mentioned now, that is the snow white powder, the Sepia white, the alpha arbutin, and the niacinamide. When you combine these 4 powders together, you make a powerful whitening lotion or a lightening lotion. But please do not add any of the AHA into this formulation because it contains niacinamide. Niacinamide does not go with AHA. If you combine niacinamide with AHA, you're going to have what we call skin flush. That is, your skin will go red. The AHA is going to convert the niacinamide to niacin, and before you know, you start having redness, and you, in fact, there's every possibility that you will get burn on your face. Yeah, you will get redness and sunburn. Sorry, not sun. You will get burn on your face. So do not incorporate any of the AHA into these powders I've just mentioned. If you're to use the 4 powders together, do not attempt to put any of the AHA asap. So our whitening powder combination number 4 is our alpha arbutin 1, glutathione 2, sim white 3, and resveratrol. Yeah, resveratrol is a lightening powder. It lightens up the skin very well. If you want to really know much about this powder, you can also try googling it. Yeah, so you're gonna get all the details you need to know about this powders, but it is a very good lightening powder that is very, very effective for skin lightening or skin whitening. And my best whitening powder combination here is this number 4 I just finished mentioning. That is the alpha arbutin powder. Mind you, please, we have alpha arbutin and we have arbutin. Yeah, alpha arbutin is stronger than arbutin, so go for the alpha arbutin. My best combination, if you ask me to choose, is this number 4. That is the combination of alpha arbutin, glutathione, sim white, and resveratrol. Resveratrol, like I said, is a lightening powder. It lightens up very well. And sim white, wow, sim white, wow, it lightens up the skin very, very well, very, very well. Alpha arbutin lightens up the skin very, very well. Glutathione lightens up the skin very, very well, and it is an antioxidant also. So the last but not the least of my whitening powders combination is my Giga White powder, my Sepi White powder, my glutathione powder, and my vitamin C powder. Please do not go and use ascorbic acid though. If you use ascorbic acid and your cream turns to brown in the next day, do not come and say it's HBM that sent you. Use either sap or tap. Vitamin C we have types of vitamin C. Ascorbic acid is the non-stable form of vitamin C. That is, it is not stable, but we have the stable vitamin C. You can try your sap, you can try your MAP, and we have one other one like that. I cannot remember the name now, but try your sap or try your MAP. And one of these powders also, they're not oil soluble. Just try to make research on your powder before you start combining them into your lotion. And that is why you need to come for our online class that is starting on the 20th of this month. That is on the Saturday. That is why you really need to enroll, so that you'll be able to formulate effective skincare products. You'll be able to know that this is the powder I should use and this is the one I should not use for my lotion. This is the one I should use into my soap. This is the one I should not waste into my soap. I hope you get. So the last one, which is the Giga White, the Sepi White, and the glutathione and vitamin C, will also give you an effective skin lightening or skin whitening lotion. On each of the whitening powder combo I just mentioned, which was divided into 5 portions now, by the time you use each of those powder just the way I've mentioned them and you use them to formulate a lotion, you will get an effective skin lightening lotion. And again, if you want to ask if you can still boost this lotion along with this powder with a lightening serum, oh yes, you can still incorporate your lightening serum. But mind you, please, if you're working with lightening serum, do not just carry a bottle of skin free milk and pour into your formulation. That is why you need to enroll for the class. When you're working with serums, or you're working with any lightening oil you want to incorporate into your lotion, if you must, yeah, if you must, because that is called promixing. You're living organic now, you're going into promixing. By doing that, make sure you do that at a certain percentage. You don't just carry the whole bottle of acidic serum and pour into your formulation. Your formulation will go bad. Believe me, it's going to go bad. So you have to do everything in moderation. All your formulations have to be 100%, and you get to know more about this when you enroll for the class. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and we have come to the end of our whitening powder series. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.